All right, this is section 4.2, example 2, part B. We're solving more quadratics by factoring, and these are some exceptions to the sum product rule. And in fact, if you just watched example A, these are examples where we need to use difference of squares or square root property. So here in this equation, where we're missing your middle term, your bx term. The easiest thing that we can do is if we don't see a difference of squares problem like you did in example A, this one we can solve directly. So we'll want to set this one to be x squared equal to 8 by adding 8 to both sides. And then we're just going to want to take the square root of each side. So our left-hand side becomes x, our right-hand side becomes plus or minus the square root of 8. And we're not going to leave it like that. We're going to try to simplify the square root of 8 as a radical. So you'll have to remember back to 1201 when you learned how to do that. We did a little bit in our trigonometry unit this year. So 8 is the same as saying 4 times 2. And 4 is a perfect square, so we're going to remove the... maybe I'll do all these steps here. We'll say, so we can break this apart as 4 times square root of 4 times square root of 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 times the square root of 2. And we like that answer more than just saying plus or minus the square root of 8. So our two roots here are x is equal to plus 2 root 2, and x is equal to negative 2 root 2.